Hello everyone, so for those of you who are interested in the newest release of belts by Saint Laurent, that's the one example in here which I ordered from the Harrods website, but before I return it I just decided to do this video for you if anyone is interested in this belt. So that's the information about the belt. It costs £565. It's this croc shiny leather. It came in this black box pouch, and that's it. So as you can see, that's the gold brass buckle with just a little bit of dark black enamel and gold YSL logo. And why I decided to return it is because of the YSL logo. It just looks like slightly like a logo from the lipstick. Like obviously that's the normal YSL logo, but I think that I would rather go for something low-key and not as on face. And yeah, there's like so many different styles and versions of this buckle and this belt. I think that the most popular at the moment is like all black and all gold. I think Hiley Biber was styled this belt, and that's why it's so popular. But a part of this is a really nice belt, I think. So I returned. I'm just gonna return this one, and I already ordered from Saint Laurent website the other version, which do not have any logo, just Saint Laurent, I think it's written on it, but it's in silver. I already have one belt in gold, which is also like overdone belt. It's a Gucci belt with the GG logo. And just because I decide, just because I already have the black belt with gold buckle, I decided to go this time with for a belt with silver buckle. And I think the silver trend is it's really strong this year. So yeah, I'm just gonna have hopefully a lot of use of this belt. But if someone really likes it, the wee tiny logo, it's not very obvious logo, obviously, but it's still there. And yeah, I thought that it's actually, see, there's nothing here, and I really like this because there is not much brass, you know, but so it's not much to be scratched. But unfortunately it just didn't work, and yeah, I'm just decided to return this belt. I'm just gonna record another video maybe with the new belt once arrived. Unfortunately I just booked the return for today, and later on I just decided to order a new belt, so I'm not gonna have like two belts to compare with each other, because this one is gonna go today and the other one will probably arrive tomorrow or in a few days. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a new video, and let me know what do you think. Do you like this belt, or do you prefer the version with the plain buckle? Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.